Hi, this video shows how I changed the ignition, neutral and indicator lights on my Triumph Bonneville America so that I could see them during normal daylight. This is how the lights looked before I started in the garage. This is how they looked on completion. Here is a side-by-side view. I am going to replace the existing bulbs with LEDs. Here is a mock-up I made using a 12-volt feed to a lamp and LED. And with the power on, you can see the difference. There are 3 Allen bolts holding the unit onto the petrol tank. Use a plastic pry bar to remove the lamp covers. Try not to shoot them around the garage. Next, under the unit. Okay, now it's time for some tank protection. Now to tease out the neutral light. To remove the bulbs, I use a piece of rubber tubing, which is a piece of airline inner with an 8mm hole. I use the same tubing to insert the new LED into the holder. Before removing the tubing, turn on the ignition to see if the LED lights. If the LED does not come on, remove it and turn it through 180 degrees, as LEDs are dependent on the current direction. Got lucky here. carry out the same procedure for the ignition lamp. As you can see, not so lucky here, I had to turn it back through 180 degrees. Note, there are ridges on the rubber holders and cutouts on the base plate. Line these up when putting the holders back into the base plate. The next piece was a bit of a faff. Having put on the lamp caps, noting again they have notches to line up, tease back the holders with the caps into the base plate. Later, when doing the indicator lamp, I found it useful to spray some silicone onto the rubber holder. It made it much more pliable. Check the new LEDs in situ. The meter shows with the right hand indicator running the voltage is negative, and with the left hand indicator the voltage is positive. This means the current flow changes. With the standard LED, the current can only flow one way. To overcome the problem of current flows with the LED, I'm going to use a bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier has 4 tags, 2 identified with a wavy line, 1 marked with a plus and the other is unmarked. The tags with the wavy lines are the input and the others are the output. Here you see the positive and negative feeds to the bridge rectifier and the connection to the LED. With the power on, with the power feeds to the bridge rectifier reversed. In this picture I have soldered tails onto the bridge rectifier and put crimp connectors on these tails. Here I have cut the wires feeding the indicator bulb holder. Note, I have put female crimps on the feed wire and male crimps on the bulb holder wires. This is it in situ. Note the input wires of the bridge rectifier have male crimps on them and the output wires of the bridge rectifier have female crimps on them. This allows them to match up with the feed wires and the lamp holder wires. It also means if you want to revert back to the original, just replace the LED and remove the bridge rectifier and put the connectors together.
Stop your running about. It's time you straighten right out.